Hello, cookbook friends, and welcome. My name is Katie. Today, I wanted to talk about Vegan at Times. This is by the one and only Jessica Seinfeld. Yes, the wife of Jerry Seinfeld. It's actually kind of cute. I love that Jerry and Jessica Seinfeld. I'm sure they get it all the time. I really like this concept because instead of shoving veganism down my throat, it gives us the option of doing vegan food sometimes. And I appreciate that because I have to admit, I do like meat. And it's really hard for me to separate entirely from meat. But I do love eating vegan cuisine and vegan food. I think it's amazing. And we live in a great time right now. So this is the cookbook I want to share today. It has 120 recipes for every day or for, like me, every so often. So I like how open this book is. So let's look at the table of contents here. It's beautiful. I like the introduction. It's very clean and pristine. I love the food so far. Let's see. Ooh, wow, that's gorgeous. I love that. And those cupcakes look divine. So let's see. Oh, no, I think I might have skipped over the table of contents. Here we go. So we have breakfast and that brownie. Oh, man. Sorry, I need that now. So we've got breakfast first. Then we go to mealtime, quick fixes, desserts, and then we go to essential sauces, dressings, and more. Ooh, I like that. And it might be a little difficult to see, but she has sample menus, which is great, especially for those of us that are super busy. And it's I know sometimes every week I panic and I'm like, oh no, what are we going to have this week? So I like that she provides a menu to just make it really straightforward and easy. She's got pantry essentials. She even has a chapter, like a sub-chapter that's a dried beans how-to. So because it's a vegan cookbook, this is going to be some really awesome essentials to have. So let's go forward. I like that it's just really clean and simple with the pantry essentials rather than kind of all over the place and bold. And, it's just like, here it is. Here's a nice, good list of all your basics, oils and vinegar, produce, spices, all that. I like that. It doesn't have to be complicated. And that's exactly, I think, what we need, especially for those of us that aren't eating vegan all the time or want to or are new at it. So, chapter 1, breakfast. So one thing she does is at the beginning of each chapter, she provides, and I know it's hard to see with the pink background with the white text, but she does have each recipe listed throughout the entire chapter, including page numbers. So that's super helpful and just really nice to have. So a few recipes she does include, I'm not gonna go over everyone. She has sweet oat crepes, chickpea pancakes. There are chia pudding with caramelized banana. She has a honeydew cucumber mint juice. Ooh, that sounds refreshing for summer. And then she has a few recipes for overnight oats, which is great. So let's look at some more of the recipes. Oh, wow. Beautiful. This is a yogurt with warm blueberry compote. I would love to have this for breakfast. So it looks like, and here's that honeydew cucumber mint juice, but also a spicy tomato juice side by side. I'm seeing a lot of photos. So those of you that love cookbooks with lots and lots of photos, this is pretty amazing. It looks like almost every single recipe does have a photo. Beautiful. So moving on, let's look at some lunch stuff or meal stuff. Wow. Okay. I hope you guys can see this. So you see here this huge 2 columns of different meals that we could have for mealtime. So we have a tomato, mushroom, and pepperoni pizza. She has a Moroccan spiced chickpea stew. That sounds really good. There's a roasted chili relleno, a stewy white bean, macaroni and cheese, awesome. She has broiled barbecue eggplant and coleslaw stuffed pitas, super tasty. So let's move on to one of these actual recipes and break it down a little bit. We have spaghetti and meatless balls. So she has here a little blurb, kind of about what this recipe is all about, how to enjoy this recipe. So serve on top of spaghetti, make a Euro sandwich. You can eat in salads, this actual recipe. So it's not just for pasta, which is cool. She has on the top the active prep time. And then she has how much time in total this whole recipe will take. That's probably cook time, bake time, all of that stuff. And then she has the serving sizes. On the left-hand side, it's pretty standard. She has all of the ingredients listed. And then on the right-hand side are all of the instructions. So I was trying to check to see, it's sometimes really hard. I have celiac disease, so I need gluten-free options, and a lot of vegan alternatives tend to have gluten in them. I didn't know this until I tried to go wholly vegan. So I try to look for gluten-free options in almost every single vegan cookbook I get, just so you guys know if you're gluten-free too. I'm not seeing anything in here about gluten-free yet, but it's possible because I haven't run into anything that has gluten in it. So let's see. We've got roasted smashed potatoes with fixins, and this looks really good. I'm trying not to drool. We have taco salad, and this looks really easy, super simple. This looks like a healthier version of something that I actually make on a regular basis. Oh, she has a meat recipe, just in general meat recipe, and she provides a page number. I'm going to turn to that just because I am very curious what that means. So it's 219, I believe. Bear with me here. So so she has all of her basic stuff towards the back of the book. So you have your ranch dressing, which typically has dairy in it. She's got her own version of it. She has all kinds of salad dressings, pesto. Let's see what else. Vegetable broth, peanut sauce, guacamole. Here's that meat recipe you might be able to see, which is very nice. Again, if you want meat substitutes and you just buy it at the store, if it's not Impossible meat, or if it's just like in a frozen package, it's probably got gluten in it. So I like that she's provided an actual recipe that you can make yourself. And she provides page numbers for the recipes that they're associated with. So it's very cool, very easy to navigate cookbook. All right, moving on. We have cauliflower curry here. This looks awesome. I'm super excited. Yum. Creamy cannellini bean rigatoni. Ooh, yum. So again, I'm not seeing anything with gluten-free options, but these are kind of easy to make gluten-free. You've got gluten-free pasta here. I just really like that she hasn't used a lot of things that you can't actually substitute easily. This might be a little harder finding gluten-free pita, but looks great. Let's move on to some of the dessert recipes. Ooh, sorry. Potato taquitos with guacamole. Oh, is it lunchtime? Okay, so we have, I think I just passed the desserts. I don't know, actually. Here we go. Desserts. This is my favorite. I'm not going to lie. Okay, so beautiful table setting here. I love the dark blue. Sunny's mint chip ice cream. Yum. I love seeing vegan ice cream in this cookbook. I think this is awesome. And so far, I've seen recipes that range in flavor profiles and all year round. It's not exclusively winter cooking or summer cooking. Sometimes I feel like cookbooks fall into those categories and then you just can't cook things outside of the season. So I like that she's definitely provided a whole array of recipes. We have chocolate chip chickpea cookies. Those look great. Super thick and chocolatey. We have oatmeal spice cake with broiled coconut icing. Yum. Chocolate sheet cake. Oh, so this is the picture. It wasn't a brownie, but this looks amazing. What else do we have? Peanut butter bars. I know a lot of you guys are going to love that. And then again, here's the essentials and basics, and then the index. So this is really cool. I cannot wait to try some of these recipes in here. I've been trying to find a good vegan cookbook that I go to every day. I have one that I really enjoy and I cook out of almost every single week, but I kind of want more recipes. So yeah, definitely check out Vegan at Times. This is by Jessica Seinfeld, the wife of Jerry Seinfeld, for those of you that don't know. And there's 120 recipes in this cookbook. So definitely go check this out on Amazon or at your library or wherever. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. We super appreciate it. If you guys enjoy our videos, make sure to subscribe and like and comment down below. If there are cookbooks that you are interested in, make sure to leave us a note because we would love to cover them. You guys can do that also on our social media platforms. We've got Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. We even have a podcast. If you guys are interested in cookbook roundups, which we do every single week, brand new cookbooks that are coming out, come check us out there. And all of those are at Cookbook Divas. Thank you guys so much, and we will see you next time.